How to apply for a sales tax permit in Florida. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply for a sales tax permit in Florida. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. To get started, you'll need some key details like your social security number, business name, business location, estimated monthly sales, and the business's ownership structure. Having all this ready will speed things up. Head over to the Florida Department of Revenue website at floridarevenue.com. This is where you'll be applying online for the sales tax permit. Once on the site, go to the taxes section and look for the link to register for a sales and use tax permit. This takes you to the registration portal. If you're a new user, you'll need to set up an account on the online portal. You'll use this account to manage your sales tax filings in the future. Select the option to register for a sales tax permit and enter all necessary information like your business type, contact details, and address. Make sure everything is accurate to avoid delays. Once you've completed the application, review everything carefully, then go ahead and submit it. After processing, you'll receive your sales tax permit by mail or email. This document includes your taxpayer ID, which you'll use for sales tax reporting. Finally, remember to display your sales tax permit at your business location. That's all for the video.